Trick or treat.
Hey! Welcome to our booth, Smart Glass Country, where we have candies. But the main candy is for your eye.
Ah, so
We
these
got
are the
special
tricks.
products right here. No trick, all magic and technology. As you see, we have two samples. The one is smart blinds, which will replace the traditional blinds that accumulate dust on them.
Wow.
And they are bulky and in your way. This will be applied directly on your glass, and as you see, you can have it completely private or partially turn it on and off. This sample right here demonstrates the way what we can do with the film and glass same way. We can make any logo you desire. A logo can either be turned on like that, or it could be reversed. And of course, we can make it all transparent or all opaque.
Wow.
We got different kind of products. If you ask me which one is my favorite, it's electrochromic film.
All right, let's see.
So when you turn it off, this gives you some degree of privacy, but mostly it is for protection of the sun. So this is when you turn it off, the darkest, like a dark blue, very pleasant blue color, and protects it from UV, infrared light. And when you turn it on, it gives you way more big transparency. And also, cool thing about it, it can be dimmed. So let's see, we're going slowly down. I hope you can see it on your camera.
I can. It's pretty incredible.
Darken it down. There you go, roll the way down. And now we're going back up.
Wow.
Now you can see why this is my favorite. Also, let's say you want to keep it on most of the time, well, transparent most of the time. This is called PDLC, or reversed film or glass. And what it does, it will turn private when you apply power to it. The clicker button, you can't
Wow.
see me. Here I am again. And the other product we have, it is the main smart glass and smart film product we have available. It's PDLC crystals that by default will be opaque, saving energy. And whenever you want to see through, push of a button.
Amazing.
There you go.
Amazing that you have it going both ways.
I'm glad you like it.
PNLC and PDLC.
Exactly. An electrochromic
An
film
electrochromic
or
film.
glass.
Amazing.
And don't forget the cool things we can do with them. We can do any pattern, and we can do any logo you desire. It can either be
Amazing.
switched on or off. And I absolutely forgot to show you our blackout glass. When
Oh,
you desire
awesome.
to turn off
So you
the
can
light-
have blackout and privacy.
Exactly. So nobody sees through. It's 100% private. But you can see through whenever you decided to turn it on.
Amazing.
Thank you. I'm glad
Thank
like
you,
it.
Victor.
You're welcome.
Smart Glass Country. Make ordinary glass extraordinary.
That's right. That's